Here's how this works. I will speak the part of the first person and you will speak the part of the second person. Ready? That's a good method you just shared, Adi. But speaking from experience, this method didn't produce good results for our past projects. Instead, we got better results when we did it another way. Let me explain. May I suggest that we test this method for 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, if it doesn't work, we can try your idea. Can I suggest we meet to review the trial results in 2 weeks' time? Don't mention, we're a team. And now, let's switch roles. Now, you will speak the part of the first person. And I will be the second person. Ready? Thanks, Jamal. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Your suggestion sounds interesting. That's a good idea. We can try it for 2 weeks. Sure. Or we think of another method. Good idea. Thanks for your suggestion. You're right.